How to fix you having too many friends on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix having too many friends on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your Snapchat and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can head over to your friends section and see the list of your friends. Now, I don't have a lot of friends, but you might have a lot of friends and you might want to, change that. So what we do is head over to the Bitmoji on the top left corner. And if you scroll down, you should see your friends list. Tap on my friends and there you'll see all of your friends. Now, there is no select and remove feature in Snapchat yet, so you will need to go through it one by one. So this is a lot, a hectic work. It gets a lot repetitive. So what you do here is you long press on your friend, tap on manage friendship and tap on remove friend. Do the same for the second one, tap on manage friendship and remove friend. Keep on doing this until you have the only people that you want on your friends list, and that is how you do this. And yeah, that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.